This Instagram account is gaining an impressive 250,000 new followers every month by sharing motivational videos with dark and mysterious theme. They've even turned their page into a successful business and launched their own clothing brand. Now I'll show you how to create similar videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. They all feature a dark background, an AI-generated voiceover, and captions to keep viewers engaged. With these elements in mind, let's dive into the tutorial. Let's kick off with our plan to create an AI-generated script for our motivational page. Since it's 2023, we have access to advanced AI like ChatGPT, which we'll use to come up with 10 quotes about aggressive animal-like foods. After chatting with ChatGPT, we received some great short quotes, but we need longer ones to match our video's length. We asked ChatGPT for medium-sized quotes, and after reviewing them, we chose the best one that aligns with our page theme. After selecting your favorite quote, simply copy it from the ChatGPT, then head over to 11 Labs and create an account if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, you can create a special voice and paste the quote you choose earlier into the generator on 11 Lab. Once you've made your selection, click the generate button and let's give it a try. I'm confident it will sound amazing. You completed the voiceover portion, and now we just need to find some uplifting music to play in the background. You can download free music from TuneTag. Take your time and choose the one that resonates with you the most. Now let's shift our focus on gathering the B-roll footage. Luckily, there are numerous ways to go about it. One effective method is to explore Instagram, which happens to be a great place to find these types of videos. Start by accessing the Instagram platform and using the search feature to look for videos related to specific animal features in our video, such as wolves or lions. Another way to obtain these videos is by using a special footage that is free from any copyright issue. To find these videos, visit websites like pexels.com, where you can find a vast collection of videos and pictures that you can use without any fear or legal trouble. Now let's begin the editing process by importing the necessary videos and audios. Start with the voiceover and drag it into the sequence to ensure a good sound quality. Next, trim away any empty parts to make the voice sound clean and maintain a fast pace. It's time to add the videos we found to our project. Simply drag and drop them into the sequence. Remember to adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 and remove any unwanted parts. It's a good idea to use a variety of different videos in your project to keep viewers engaged. This way, they won't get bored as they watch your videos, as they'll be treated to various scenes and visuals. Now let's move on to editing the pictures with a dark theme. Start with the first picture and go to adjustments. Don't forget you can also add transitions between the two videos. I recommend using the left transition as it gives a cool effect. Additionally, consider adding some movement to each video. Take your time to browse through all the effects and choose the one you like best. Lastly, don't forget to add the music you downloaded earlier. Now let's see the end result. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe.